My name is Harsimran Kapoor and I applied from Chance Education for my as I completed my senior study. I applied there for my higher studies in Canada from Chance Education. I come with my sister because she recommended me to come here, and I was deal with the staff, and that was quite good, and the services are quite good. They provide me all the knowledge about what to do and what applications and documents I need. So after that, providing them all the things, and I received my visa, which I have applied for the Prince George and the college, CNC college, for the business management diploma for 2 years. And after a month I received my visa of the Canada, and I am very happy to receive my visa, and thank you Chance Education for this.